How to remove your payment method from Amazon. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your saved payment methods. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, open your Amazon app and make sure you are signed into the Amazon account where you have saved your payment methods such as debit card, credit cards or much more. Now once you signed into your Amazon account, here on the home page, click on you or this account or person icon. And it will bring you to your Amazon account settings. And here on your Amazon account settings, scroll down to Amazon Pay or Amazon Wallet. And you can see I have Amazon Pay option as I belong to India. If you are from other countries, you might have Amazon Wallet option. And here you can find your payments option. Now here under Amazon Pay, I have manage payment options. So here to remove or delete your saved payment method, click on your payments or manage payment options. And here under wallet, you can find your saved payment method. Here you can see once I stopped using my debit card on Amazon and since then it has been saved. Now in order to remove this debit card, this payment method from my Amazon account, here I have to click on remove. And if you don't find remove option, you have to just click on edit and then you can find remove your wallet option. So to remove your saved payment method from your Amazon account, here click on remove or remove your wallet. And to completely remove your saved payment method from your Amazon account, here click on confirm. And your added payment method will be removed from your Amazon account. And that's pretty much it is. That's how you can remove or delete payment method on Amazon. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure you leave a like and a comment in this video. And if you want to sign up for Amazon affiliate program using your mobile phone, then watch this video and I'll see you in the next one.